Ayan guys, nagmamadali na tayo. So, um, kakatapos lang natin kumain ng congee, ng pinakamasarap na healthy food. So, we just finished eating congee at here. Ngayon, boboard na tayo ng so, we're going to ride the train to transfer to the boarding gate from the departures area. So, and we have to go down, tatlong baba. Time to board now. Transfer. Kasi doon yung pang Manila, papunta ng Manila sa kabilang terminal, no? So, napakasaya talaga sa Hong Kong, no? Napakasaya sa Hong Kong talaga, guys. That side is the arrival area. Tama yung side na yun sa baba, arrivals yun. That's the arrival. So, that side, galing na tayo last week nung papabakasyon tayo sa Hong Kong. So, grabe, gusto ko bumalik dito, no? So, this is the Christmas tree that I wouldn't forget. Ay, sorry. So, once again, I'm going to miss Hong Kong. Papapicture pa kasi si Mami kaya ang tagal. So,
Let's go. 我而家冇人，冇人，冇人。
So, nagmamadali na rin tayo. Oh, what?
May palabas.
May mask. So, guys, yeah. Papunta na tayo sa boarding gate natin and pauwi na rin tayo ng Pilipinas because vacation is over. Mama na sa baba na yan, arrival area yan, dyan tayo galing when we're just arrive in Hong Kong, no? So I'll see you very very soon. Okay. Yes. So, it's time to go back to Manila. Pwede rin tayo maging So, guys, matagal na ulit tayong hindi magta-travel kasi nagpapahinga na muna, no? So, once again, this is the arrival area. Ayan yung arrival area. So we are waiting for the departure area here. Going to eat. I just came here to eat. So ayan. So once we go home, baka magsa-celebrate the Christmas na tayo. So tanong ko lang, you don't miss your family? So andyan na ang train. Grabe guys, imagine nyo, ang sarap bumalik sa Hong Kong. So magmamadali na rin tayo because baka maiwanan tayo ng plane. And then we will arrive later sa Terminal 3 ng Terminal. Yan, there's the train. So in the other side, once again, that's the arrival. Excuse me. Can I sit down? Or wala? So, there's a train station.
请打到用車門，並請沿途緊握扶手。Please stand clear of train gate and please hold the handrail. 请勿靠近车門，並請嚴格緊握扶手。
Na?
So one stop lang tayo because we're gate 44.
Yeah.
If we're gate 200, up 2 stops.
Pag 511 gate, di na kailangan mag-train. Doon na yung departure din. No? Pero why do we take train lagi sa Hong Kong Airport?
That's right. Because Hong Kong Airport is huge.
Sa Taipei, sorry to ask you, sa Taiwan meron ding train sa airport din sa Taipei. So, Taiwan naman. So, great. Good tayo. Going take cafe. Kasi sa kabila ang arrivals. Alright. See? Good morning. So, guys, nandito na tayo sa boarding gate. So, yeah.
Please hold the handrail and don't walk.
So, grabe guys. Feeling nyo na I don't wanna go home, but no. Parang hindi ko feel na uuwi ako. So ayan na, dito na nagtatapos ang Hong Kong natin. Kasi matagal na ulit tayong hindi magta-travel. Because ipon muna ako. Iipon muna tayo, no? Pag ano na, pag pwede na, no? So, yun. Baka yan yung arrivals, no? Yeah. Anong gate tayo, mami? 40 or...
We are gate 44. Where should we
44
go?
tayo po.
Left or right?
Left.
Good job.
So, left. Gate 44 is left. So, yes. Manila. I saw it. Ah, may Lululemon din sila. So, we have few shops here before we board to the plane.
Check lang, Lululemon.
So, guys, meron lang i-check si Mami na ano dito. Hindi ko muna i-end yung video. So, this is the video of the Hong Kong airport. And, mamimiss ko na kayo. Yeah, and yeah. So, pagdating natin sa Manila, matutulog na rin ako kasi pagod. And, i-upload ko na lahat ng mga videos ko sa Facebook. I'm going to upload the Hong Kong videos. So Mommy is just checking something here before we head to the plane. Ano? Sana next time Cathay Pacific. Let's wish na Cathay Pacific yung sasakyan natin papuntang Hong Kong. Yeah. Maganda ang hindi na yung mga budget. Yeah. Mga budget airline. But we know how to value money, no? May ice cream sila. So ayan, gate 44. Yeah, it's there. Ayan o, may Lego. Pero ayoko nang bumili ng mga toys kasi big boy na ako, hindi na ako mahilig sa mga toys.
We buy water.
Ah,
You haven't drink water. You'll just buy in the airplane.
sa plane na lang po.
You're not thirsty.
Yeah. Ayan. 18 minutes, we have to board na. So once again, this is the continuation of our walk in Hong Kong International Airport. Wow, ganda ng view, tsaka lamig, no? Yung sa Kansai Airport, ang mainit sa loob. Dahil yun nga, malamig sa labas. Ang init sa Osaka Airport. Kasi nga, nag-heater sila dun. So this is the wonderful view of the Hong Kong International Airport. Cathay Pacific, no? So gate 44 tayo. So look at this wonderful view. Cantonese Chinese Airport. Yeah. So ito ata, saan kaya papunta to? Manila din ba? Or yeah. So guys, I'm not sure kung i-end ko tong video. Pupunta mo na ba tayo sa plane ngayon? Hindi pa. 10:30 pa. Boarding gate. Sorry. Panic daw. May tao na narinig na nagpapang. So, andito na tayo sa boarding gate and the floor is very carpeted. That's what I love here in Hong Kong. The floor is carpeted. Ayan ang aeroplano natin, Cebu Pacific. That's the plane that we're going to ride. Puro Cathay Pacific ang nandyan, guys. Napansin nyo. So you see that, that's the Cathay Pacific. Cathay Pacific Air. Ang daming Cathay, no? Tana.
Pagkain niya ako, tinake out ko yung akin. Mabilis naman kasi siya kumain eh. Give me your backpack.
Guys, I have to end my video kasi baka mapuno na naman ang phone ko. Mamaya na tayo mag-video pa board na sa plane. So, pa board na sa plane, mamaya na tayo mag-video ulit and that's the final vlog of Hong Kong. And babalik na tayo sa Philippines. See you in the next episode, guys.